In this video, we will show you how to use the hanging indent feature in Microsoft Word. We already have a list of references typed in. They are in APA format, but the indentation is not yet correct. Each reference is on its own line. We need to apply a hanging indent to all of them. There are two ways to do this. The first way is by using the paragraph settings. The second way is by using the ruler tool. Let's start with the paragraph settings method. First, highlight the entire list of references. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Now go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Inside the paragraph section, look for a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Click on that arrow. It will open a new window called Paragraph Settings. In this window, look for the indentation section. You will see an option called Special. Click on the drop-down next to it and choose Hanging. You can also adjust how much space you want for the indent. By default, it is set to 1/2 inch. You can leave it like that or change it if needed. Now, click OK to apply the changes. You will now see that every line after the first in each paragraph is indented correctly. This is a hanging indent. Now let's see the second way to do the same thing using the ruler. If you don't see the ruler on your screen yet, go to the View tab on the top ribbon. Then check the box that says Ruler. This will show a horizontal ruler at the top of your document. On the left side of the ruler, you will see two small triangles. The top triangle controls the first line indent. The bottom triangle controls the hanging indent. Highlight your references again. Now, click and drag the bottom triangle to the right. You will see the second and all following lines move to the right. This creates a hanging indent. You can also move the top triangle to adjust the first line if needed. But for a proper hanging indent, only move the bottom triangle. And that's it. You now know how to apply a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. You can use either method depending on what you find easier. Both will give you the same result. Thank you for watching.